Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to make image black and white in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop this image into Photoshop to open the image. In Photoshop, we have two options to make image black and white. The first option, we can go to Image and Mode. We can change it to Greyscale and go to Discard Color Information. Click it. So the image is changed to black and white. But this is in grayscale. If you want to keep it in RGB, I press Ctrl Z first. So we can have second option. The second option, we can use image and go to adjustments, and we can find black and white here. And we can click it to change it to black and white. But we can see that there is not adjustment layer. If you want to keep adjustment layer, we can cancel it first. We can go to find the same option in layers window and go to bottom and add the adjustment layer and find black and white here. So we have same option to change black and white. So we can see before and after. Now, if we want to find adjustment color, for example, we can change the gray tone in blue jeans, so we can adjust the cyan and blue to change the gray tone of blue. Now, if you want to change the gray tone of background, we can change yellow. For example, we can increase it or we can reduce it. So this is how we can make image black and white in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.